Make money with Google AdSense. Google AdSense is one of the most preferred fashion of making revenues on the internet. One can work using publishing commercials and also having them showed on websites. Exactly how does Google AdSense function? When you are a Google AdSense participant, which you could obtain codes to show Google Ads for your website. You earn money and feedback to the compilation of clicks with every AdSense connect to your website. In instance you scenario a lot more codes in your release, that you could have much more advertisements, which in return could raise the possibilities of having the advertisements clicked. The even more internet sites you may have, the bigger the likelihoods for you to obtain additional clicks and also make money. Actually, lots of people have actually left their day works as an outcome of they do make sufficient from those Google ads. On the various other hand, the success of make money with Google AdSense or produce earnings AdSense is established by three parts. These are, the click-through rate, the proportion of individuals that clicks the commercials against the variety of individuals that sees the site online daily, the net website visitors, the amount of individuals that consult from your page, and also the price per click on of every commercial. Make money with Google AdSense. To expand the clicking through price of your promotions, you might prepare them in any sort of such approach that the commercials do not show up exclusively like ads. As an example, the codes could be used inside a post so that the AdSense crucial expressions develop into a component of the material of websites, not as a different advertisement. Some web designers create a web page that includes just AdWords. When an individual opens this web page, he needs to click at the least among one of the most keyword phrases that show up associated on the subject he is watching out. Yet because this is an improper means of making use of Google AdSense, individuals could be prohibited or put on hold from the use of AdSense. The website visitors that you simply hopped on an everyday basis is critical element to think when making use of pay-per-click on AdWords. So some people would certainly visit your website. Clearly you will certainly not obtain a whole lot clicks from your AdSense. You might currently not also obtain any kind of revenues whatsoever you will not can fruit and vegetables net website visitors. With the purpose to attain hostile website visitors, you will certainly need to apply additional initiative to make money with Google AdSense. Make money with Google AdSense for great deals of a favorite website proprietors. The content product of their website is the major tool they implement, not easiest to attract individuals to their site online, nevertheless additional notably, to maintain them returning. Having a selection of routine viewers that looks into the site progressively as well as day-to-day is among the most effective means to obtain an assured website visitors that you desire to have. Amongst the most effective strategy of obtaining money via AdWords is with the help of developing a special content product online article that is insightful as well as practical. Don't forget to like our video.